Successful projects begin with a successful setup, and a successful setup requires a plan. That's why we're excited to introduce Procore Action Plans. Action Plans is a single place to organize stakeholders around a phased approach to project development and execution. You can predefine critical project-related activities and sequence them appropriately, and make sure your team is aligned on the approach in advance. For each item in the plan, you can define your criteria for successful completion, consolidate reference documents from within Procore, and clarify what type of documentation or response must be submitted as part of the process. Accountable stakeholders can provide the required response directly into the action plan. Then, those accountable for verification can sign off that the step was completed according to expectations. You can even place a hold point to block subsequent steps from happening prematurely. With action plans, the team is accountable to complete critical steps in order and to your expectations, so you can avoid putting the cart before the horse and ultimately ensure high-quality project delivery throughout the project lifecycle.